Great day starts with a good night's sleep. But getting a good night's sleep is not easy for everyone. Sleep is an important restorative function of the body, जहाँ पे our body takes its time to rest and restore itself, and all the tossing and turning and looking at your phone or overthinking while staring into the space can leave a negative impact on your hormones, brain function, and physical activity. And if staying up at night becomes a regular thing, it can even lead to major issues such as insomnia and anxiety. From stress to comfort, बहुत सारे ऐसे factors हैं जो हमारे sleep schedule को affect करते हैं and which in turn affects our health. So how exactly do you get a blissful and relaxing sleep? वही बताने के लिए we are making this video about quick tips and tricks that will improve your sleep quality and quantity, making you healthier in the process. A strict sleep schedule. Your body's biological clock or circadian rhythms function on a set routine. The natural processes responds mostly to light and dark, indicating to your body that it is time to sleep during night time and to stay alert and awake during daytime. But if your sleep schedule is irregular, it can alter your circadian rhythm. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप एक strict sleep schedule follow करो. Get in the habit of going to sleep and waking up at the same time. This trains your body to wake up on a set time and improves sleep quality in the long run. Once your body gets used to this biological clock, आप realize करोगे कि you don't even need an alarm to wake up anymore. Create a blissful environment. Going to sleep will never be easy if you are not comfortable or your sleep is constantly interrupted by external factors such as noise, lights, or temperature. It is imperative that you create a relaxing sleeping environment so that you can enjoy a blissful and restorative nap. Make your room quiet, cold, dark, and clean. Artificial lights from alarm clocks, televisions, and mobile phones in beds भी आपकी eyes पे strain डाल सकते हैं and is known to affect your sleep drastically and affect your long-term health. So make sure these external lights are soothing if not completely dark. Improve eating habits at night. What you eat and drink at night can dictate your sleeping habits more than you think. A balanced diet 2 hours before bedtime is highly recommended because अगर आप खाली पेट या एक heavy meal के बाद सोने का try करेंगे, तो it is sure to have a bad effect on your sleep as discomfort will keep you up. One should also avoid drinks and foods with high levels of caffeine and nicotine before going to bed. Both nicotine and caffeine have stimulating effects that increases activities in your brain and nervous system, and it takes hours for these energizing effects to wear off. So obviously, it is going to have a bad effect on your sleep pattern and it will keep you awake beyond your bedtime. Consuming alcohol should also be avoided for a better sleep. Now we know that alcohol does not make you drowsy, and you might think that it will help you sleep, but it will disrupt your sleep later at night, and people do get addicted to alcohol because they can't sleep without it. Limit long naps during daytime. There is nothing wrong with taking short naps during the day. In fact, it can be very beneficial to you, but it's crucial that you avoid taking long or irregular naps during the daytime. Taking long naps during the day आपके internal clock को confuse कर देगा and it will make it a lot harder for you to sleep at night. Research has shown जो लोग 1 या 2 दिन लंबे daytime naps लेते हैं, they start getting more and more sleepier during the day. So a good 30 minutes power nap is not at all bad for your health, but longer naps will have harmful effects on your sleep and health. Relax your mind. It's fairly obvious that you can't sleep with a chaotic mind. If you're constantly stressing about something or the other, there is no way you are going to easily fall asleep. Do something relaxing that calms your mind just before bedtime. बहुत सारे लोगों का एक pre-sleep routine होता है, जहाँ पे they do something which is relaxing, such as meditation, head massage, reading a book, or taking a hot shower. Anything that calms your nerves is good, and you can try different methods to see what works for you the best. After trying the above mentioned suggestions, if you are still finding it hard to sleep, you should definitely consult a doctor and rule out the possibility of sleeping disorder, and a doctor might even prescribe you some sleeping medication जो आपको जल्दी और अच्छी नींद आने में मदद कर सकती है and will take care of your overall health. The bottom line is that sleep plays an important role in our overall health, and we should try and get at least 7 to 8 hours of peaceful shut-eye during the night for our own health and well-being. Let us know in the comments below about your sleep routine and what it is that helps you get a peaceful sleep at night. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Traya for more videos like these.